What is up, guys? Jerry here, back with another video. I hope you guys can see me good. I hope you guys can hear me good. I got you guys on a tripod today. I do want to go over this one thing that I have been keeping from you guys. Well, not really, because you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna try to leave my Instagram tag right here somewhere on the screen. But I did want to go over some stuff with you. Sorry about my hair, guys. I have my helmet on. Damn, we've got the truck boys out here. But yeah, guys, I do want to go over something with you. If you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Let me bring it in right now, so you guys can give me just a minute. Alright guys, so that's the new bike. That is my 2007 ZS6R. That is it's been one of my dream bikes that I've always wanted. So I finally got it. Apart from the Grom, you already got it. You already know that I have the Grom itself. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've had the bike for about, I want to say like maybe like 4 months around there. I've ridden it so much, so like I feel bad for the Grom because like she doesn't come out that much anymore. I mean, I still ride it, but not as much as her. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Oh, kind of on my tippy toes, guys, but let me know what you guys think. Yeah, she's pretty solid. So I've always wanted a ZS6R, right? I don't know if I ever told you guys that I wanted a ZS6R. That was my dream bike. I've always wanted it for stunting. I haven't popped any wheelies on this just yet. I'm trying to get comfortable with it before anything, right? Just like anything else. I don't know what you guys are gonna say with your blessed engine, right? I know, guys. I'll get to it. I do want to put a cage on it before I occasionally start stunting it. But yeah, so I did want to go over some topics. Let me go get my phone. I have topics on my phone. Hold on. Alright, so let's see here. First topic. These are some questions that I have gotten from some of my friends, so I'm gonna share them with you guys anyways. Let's see here. Alright. What made me get a ZS6R? First, I've always liked the way they look. The Kawasaki's look great. Like, by far, to me, the best looking bike out there. The Ninjas, straight fire. So happy that I got a handle to this one. Alright. Second thing, what's my thoughts of owning a ZS6R as of right now? I'm gonna tell you guys, if you guys want a bigger bike, like let's say you're on a Grom, let's say you're riding dirt bikes around, right? And you want to get into a street bike, I would recommend it not as a starter bike. I would not recommend that as a starter bike for sure. If you know how to ride, if you know how to like handle a bike, like its power and all that, I would highly recommend a Kawasaki ZS6R. The amount of fun that you can have on this bike is crazy. Like, sorry if it sounds like I'm shivering, guys. It's really cold outside right now. It's like 30 degrees and I just rode here. But the amount of fun you can have on this bike, guys, is crazy. I've had it for 4 months and I'm telling you, like, I enjoy every second about it. Like, it's crazy. Alright, so that's topic number 2. Let's go for the third one. Would I recommend this bike? Hold on, wait a minute. Would I recommend this bike? If you want a big bike, yes, I would 100% recommend this bike to you. I do have friends that are faster, I'm not gonna lie. You might know Junior, he's in one of my videos. He actually has a Gixxer. He's faster than me. I mean, he's tuned and all that, but this bike is completely stock. I love riding it. Like, you might be another type of dude that like Gixxers, but I like Kawasaki's the most. But yeah, this bike right here, if you want one, it's crazy. Like, I would highly recommend it 100%. It's just a fun bike to have around, you know. And I had to add it to my collection. I had to add it to my collection, right? I do have another surprise for you guys, not in this video, hopefully by the next video. But let me get back to my topics. You guys. Let me get back to my topics. All right, what are we, fourth question? Sorry guys, I'm gonna put this on, it's freezing. My fourth. Okay, how fast have I been? I don't know if I should tell you guys. I mean, it's kind of like, would this even be like YouTube guidelines to tell you how fast I've been on this bike? I mean, to tell you the truth, the fastest I've ever been on this bike is 181. 181. It was a downhill on the highway. I was killing it though. I was flying. I do remember that whenever I hit 181, I remember the dash. It was like 179, then 180, and then whenever I hit 181, my whole book bag opened up and everything. I thought everything fell out. I thought my wallet fell out. I thought my camera fell out. I thought my phone fell out. I thought everything fell out. So thank God that wasn't the case. I actually grabbed it. I was like, oh, like, but yeah. So that day was crazy. The first day I got it, I actually got it up to like 176. Yeah, that was kind of crazy, but like yeah, like I said, she's pretty fun. If you guys are deciding on what bike you should get, I would highly recommend this. Like I said, that's just my thoughts on it. I don't know, you might want to go test around some bikes, but a ZX6R just has its own thing. Like, it looks so good. I mean, Gixxers look good as well. Like, Gixxers, they look really good as well. But me personally, I've always liked the Ninja look. It looks so crazy. I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit more details on this bike. Alright, and hopefully you guys like it. Let me see. I'm gonna do like try to do like a little collage or like a little montage. You feel me?
Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight. Let me take you.
Alright guys, so this is where I'm in today's video. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you're wanting a bike, bro, this is the bike for you right here. I'm telling you, like, this bike is crazy. Yeah guys, it's already nighttime, so I'm gonna say good night, and hopefully I can drop this by Saturday. I want to drop it by Saturday, but let's find out whatever happens, right? But yeah guys, don't forget to stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.